Hi everyone, welcome to my Mac Masterclass series. This is so exciting for me to go through all these fabulous looks because it's such a different era for me, but it's going back to basics. This was actually a very interesting one to do for me because it's one that I've actually never put on my YouTube tutorials before, and it's something that I call the base routine, which does not involve foundation. This is actually all about how I tone the face. I use facial exercises, I use massage techniques, acupressure, and also lymphatic drainage to actually sculpt my face. Now, I have the tendency to go very puffy very quickly, so I don't want to be in a situation where I'm starting a video and it's not going to finish right. I get really annoyed if things aren't perfect because I am a perfectionist after all these years. But this one is, I thought, a very valuable one to do because it reminded me of the whole basis of the MAC face chart. Now, MAC back in the day used to kind of like release like pro versions and then the Halloween versions, and with a collection they'd leave these incredible sort of like illustrations that they'd actually colour in with makeup and then photograph, and it would give you the insight in how a makeup artist would do the makeup. So I used to print them off, and I've got a bit of an archive catalogue of all these old MAC face charts, and the original MAC face chart was told to me by David Horn, who used to work at Illamasqua, as Mila Jojovic, who is my doppelganger. So I thought, oh my God, I've got to do the MAC face chart. So I'm becoming the MAC face chart. I'm starting out showing you the full behind the scenes before I start, before there's a light base put down. This is literally how to de-age, depuff, and make the face look amazing. And I can do this on anyone. It's something that I'm very, very good at facial massages. Now I'm older, I know exactly what to do, I don't know why I never did this as a video. It feels so very surreal to think that I didn't get a chance to do this in the tutorial days, but let's give it now. All right, guys, please enjoy. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial series. Please check out my MAC makeup collection. It is the blueprint of all my work. It's the products that I grew up using. Don't forget to grab those stickers. They're really a touch of the JH magic and I hope you love them. So yes, thank you guys for watching.